Okie dokie. We are pushing lower and lower and lower and lower. Sell side right there. We have so much sell side below that. Yeah, we really just have trendline liquidity. Here's a disclaimer, by the way. Excuse me. Okay, so that's the disclaimer. Just so y'all know, this is not financial advice. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be an active Asia session. I'm playing a reversal, to be honest. I'm not playing anything other than that. So that's the disclaimer, just so y'all know this is not financial advice. Okie dokie. Liquidity, trendline liquidity to our left. Yeah, I mean, we have all this liquidity, so. I feel like the last level of liquidity that we could take is maybe this third line, and then maybe we would reverse, but I'm not really looking to do anything other than longs in this market, so yeah. We'll be watching the 5-minute for a little bit. Recent market structure, yeah. Chilling, not really doing much. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, by the way. Yeah, had a good day, nice meals, type shit. I really had an opportunity to short right there. Didn't take it, but I'm not tripping. If I have a 1-minute short opportunity, I'll take it. It's tight stop losses and everything. It's all about manipulation, power of 3 of price. If you're in the chat right now, or if you're viewing right now, please type in the chat, let me know what's up. Trading the Asia session on Thanksgiving. Nobody else is doing it, so let's go. Let's have some good trades today, and let's just be all the way locked in. Basically trendline liquidity. So yeah. Trading with ICT concepts, so I can kind of eliminate that 5-minute fair value gap. It's kind of useless now. Well, are we having SMT with ES? Not really. Bro, I'm so tempted to short that, but no. Took that 15-point short. TX. I don't know what TX means. Maybe thanks, but yeah, that 15-point short was looking good, brody. That was looking so nice, dude. So you took it from here to here, I'm assuming. Good stuff. Nate's back in it. What's good? You were here last night. 5-hour stream. By the way, Nate, the trade last night, it cashed. Down here. This was like a 15-hour trade, right? From here to here. Morning. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way, so it'll look even crazier on the 1-minute, but cashed for $750. I did 7 micros on that trade. Scaled into 2, so yeah. Nice long last night, Lil. Appreciate you, bro. I think it was just good stop loss management, bro, if anything. But yeah. For sure, for sure. I could look at shorts from right here. I mean, we'll see. Just entrance that fair value gap. Hoping that we can hold this fair value gap, push into the higher one, and then I can get a short opportunity to this lower sell side liquidity. But like I said, we'll see. Oh, Neil, what's good, Brody? What's good? What's good? How you doing, man? We got to do that essay work, dude. I got to review your essay, dude. That's crazy. Happy Thanksgiving, bro. Thanksgiving trades. You already know. Thanksgiving trades. You already know. Neil, the trade last night worked out. It was a scary one, though. It was a scary one. It ended up extending, although last night was like a 5-hour stream. The trade last night ended up extending like, oh, this is an inverse fair value gap, by the way. If we can maybe retrace into that, I could take a tight stop loss trade, but yeah. It was 5 hours on stream and then freaking 9 hours off stream for the trade. But I was asleep through most of it. Woke up exactly as it was about to hit my take profit, and I was like, yo. What's good, Op? You were in here last night. How you doing, Brody? How you doing? Appreciate y'all coming back. How much did you make? It was a $750 trade. Last night, yeah, $750. Well, it was like last night and this morning. I entered the trade last night, Neil, at 7:50 p.m. and I exited at 10:21 a.m. So yeah, 750. Basically, yeah, 800. Yeah. 800 was the target. I exited 50 before, and then like 10 minutes later, it hit my target of 800. I just got a tad bit impatient. But yeah. A lot of people on the stream yesterday were saying they feel like longs are the moves, but they feel like my stop loss is going to get hit first. And yeah, I just held through it, and yeah. So right now, basically, guys, I'm looking at this 1 minute fair value gap. It's also a 5 minute. I can mark out the 5 minute too, but I mean, this is the entry to the 5 minute. Man, I love how when you hold shift, it keeps the line straight as fuck. That's so nice. Excuse my language. Oh. Okay, we're entering the 5 minute fair value gap. I want to see how price reacts. Hopefully we can stretch into this 1 minute up here. Oh shoot, what is that? Okay. Yeah, hopefully we can do that. I would enter longs. I want to see a sweep. Yeah. This is what I'm looking at. I want to see at least this liquidity swept before I enter longs of any sort. This is 3 drives down, so we saw a collapse in price. And yeah, we just tapped into this inverse fair value gap. This was bread and butter, honestly. I was confident on shorts when price was up here, but I was doing something else, so I couldn't really set my stop loss if I were to enter. See if we tap off the fair value gap. Yeah. Very possible. I feel like this is just a little fake out by price. I feel like we're definitely gonna tap into like maybe equilibrium of the fair value gap. Same, I have that marked out too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. I don't trade this session. I trade NYAM. I mean, I feel like I trade NYAM as well, but there's nothing wrong with trading Asia session. If you're an ICT trader, you'll find setups wherever presented. You know what I mean? So, and even if you're just a trader, you'll recognize that Asia session does have good volume, good enough volume. I wouldn't say crazy good volume, but good enough. But down to trade if I see, yeah, good stuff. Yeah, absolutely. Down to trade if I see my setup. Most definitely, yeah. Is your setup 2022 model? ICT? I think you're an ICT trader. Yeah. You know what you're talking about, so that's good. I'm like Loki. I could long this, put stop loss right here, play into this fair value gap. I'm not gonna do that though. I'll definitely do this practice trade though. I'll do this practice trade. Just a little practice. It was a 5 point practice trade. I mean, I'm not really tripping about it. We respected the 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah, we did. We did. Yeah. I feel like it's going to be disrespected though. I mean, I can't really base an entire movement. I trade inversions with power of 3. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. That's good. I mean, this is an accumulation. This is accumulation for sure. I don't really see a manipulation leg in here. We swept sell side, but yeah, this line right here is sell side. By the way, hold on, let me sell side liquidity. So the thing about respecting this 1 minute fair value gap, right, is that I feel like we're just respecting it to just come into this fair value gap, trade to this imbalance, accumulate more sell orders, and then finally sweep out this remaining liquidity. It's exactly what we did on yesterday's AM session, and I feel like that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. But we'll see. I'm taking off that practice trade. Yeah, I'll keep it. It's gonna run your stop, G. I'm not in a trade, Brody. This is just a practice, and I don't think it's gonna run the stop. Bro, I don't understand anything you're saying with the lingo. It's just so Sigma. No, your lingo is more Sigma, bro. Bro sounds like a real finance, bro. No, dude. Actually, none of this is mathematic related. It's all algorithmically based, and I've learned all of it for free on YouTube. So yeah, it just sounds cool though to say it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm taking off that damn practice trade. It's kind of like confusing the viewers because I don't really want anyone to think that I'm in that trade, but I just told what will happen. I guess I want to see it just tap into this fair value gap. It tapped into the 5 minute. I mean, if we reject lower and close strongly now, I'll take 5 point short. Is nothing. I mean, that's something, but it's chill. It's nothing crazy. Oh, so you were right. Yeah, Gamer X, you were right. You were right. Ran the stop. Smart guy. Why you remove it now? Shit, I'll keep it, Brody. I don't give a fuck. Ran your stop, bro. Told ya. Ha 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 ha. Alright, yeah, that's true. But like I said, I didn't enter this trade, so I guess it's unimportant though. But that's cool. Tell me something, Neil. If you are having a baby, do you think it is a take profit or stop loss? Yo. What the fuck? That's a crazy question. I don't understand the question though, to be honest. Take profit for sure. Yo, so it actually did tap into the 5 minute fair value gap to the wick and to the tick, and then it's looking like it's rejecting lower. I take 5 point. This is 43. This is a 1 to 2 if I take this. I'll practice trade this one. I don't want to take this trade. Tape read it, I guess. Better term. Sorry if I came off as mean, bro. Oh, you're good, bro. I'm just trolling. The ha 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 gave it away. You were trolling, bro. Alrighty. We got 12 people in here already. If y'all could please do me a big favor and subscribe, I would really appreciate that. We're on the road to 200 subs. Preaching disciplined trades, good psychology, and yeah, I'm just tape reading shorts until I can find a good long setup, because I want to go long tonight, and I'm going to be streaming for a pretty long time tonight. I've only just started, so yeah. Last night's stream was 5 hours. Let's hit 6 tonight. No, I'm playing. But now it's going to run your stop again? Most definitely, bro. Hey, yeah. If it does, then I'm a bad trader. Oh, you deleted it? Why'd you delete that message, Gamer X? Come on now. Come on now. Okay, paper trade's working out. I removed the comment. Sorry, you don't gotta apologize. I was just trolling. Yeah, this is With the sizing I would have taken on this, it would have been one full, so that would have been like 200. You're working towards your goal. I don't want to sound egotistic. Yeah, bro, it's all good. It's all good. I appreciate you, bro. Don't worry about it. Yeah. No, like the running towards this stop, I was just saying you removed the comment because running towards this stop was less probable than running towards the previous stop that I had up. Nice trade, bro. Thank you. I didn't take it, but just a tape read. Just a tape read. I want to take longs tonight. I'm not taking this. So yeah, this was okay. So for y'all just tuning in, I wanted price to run this Southside liquidity apart from just this one. I wanted price to run this and this before I can see a potential reversal. So yeah, that's just what I want to see, and then maybe a reversal tonight. We can catch 100 points hopefully. Hopefully, is we sweep 842 with an inverse. I'm in. Oh man, that's what I'm looking for as well, bro. That's what I'm looking for as well. Love to see it. IFVGs are the most beautiful things. But I feel like after we sweep, we're going to have to manipulate first. And once we manipulate, I'll place my standard deviation projection and we'll see what's popping. We have swept it. This was a 10-point trade. In case anyone took that, let me know. I want to know for sure. This is a nice little tape read. Saw the what is it? The velocity of price. So I decided to place a stop loss at the top of this fair value gap. This fair value gap is important because if we were to come back up, then it shows me that I'm wrong. So yeah, wonderful trade, bro. Thank you. So power of 3 with an inversion AMD if we get it. Yeah, very nice. Type shit, GamerX. Okay, now hopefully this is what I see a lot in Asia session, right? We've now swept the low. We're now displacing lower. Basically what I'm going to want to see is a little retracement, maybe manipulation, maybe a little bit more manipulation, and then finally some type of displacement into a fair value gap, and we're on our way. So yeah, we'll see. I'm from the United States, bro. What about you? 830 hit, yo. Oh, yes, sir. Okay, so let's actually do some back testing real quick. Let's see if standard deviation projection on the 5-minute would have predicted what level price just went to. I want to know absolutely. So we're going to try standard deviation from that leg, and then we're going to try standard deviation from another leg. Okay, so look at that. To the tick, standard deviation projected the first sell side liquidity. Now let's extend to this liquidity. And I mean, it almost projected this liquidity. But yeah, standard deviation is good. It's a good model to have on the manipulation legs. So yeah. Bro, I subbed. Thank you so much, bro. I really do appreciate that. Yeah, we're almost at 200, so trying to rack up for the holidays for sure. Swept that double bottom, absolutely. And I think this was actually my stop loss last night, and then I had moved it to break even. When I moved it to break even, we almost swept it out. I have a video on the trade coming out tomorrow, 9 a.m., so make sure y'all are staying tuned for that. It's going to be a good analysis, what I thought about price in the last week, stuff like that. Either way, this was more sell side liquidity that I was looking at. I didn't really think price was going to extend and take this out, to be honest, but I mean, we have now, and now it's looking like a slight little reversal, maybe. I'm still looking for the manipulation legs, like Op said, power of 3. Fuck, hold on. I'll just turn on sticky keys, I'm good. Swept that double bottom, tapping off a previous 3-minute fair value gap. Let's see if it holds. I'll take a look at that in a second. Tell me the level up. Thank you. Hell of a nice call, bro. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, looks like, man, I would have actually put the take profit at this south side liquidity if I had just taken the minute to look at it earlier. What do I study in school? I'm in high school right now, but I'm 18 and I'm going to college to do business and probably economics, finance type shit. But honestly, trying to make it work with trading. Where's that 3-minute fair value gap? Oh, okay, this is a big 3 minute fair value gap, right? That's what you're talking about. Yeah, this looks like a good point of support for price. I could see. I don't like using support and resistance terms, but I'm calling it support because typically on those big fair value gaps, it's almost like a PD higher time frame PD array, but it's not. Let's actually check if there's a 15-minute fair value gap that we just used or no. Okay, there is. That's good. That's what I was looking for. That is exactly what I wanted. This is perfect. Maybe we could extend lower into the previous day new day opening gap, but I don't really know if that's a point of contention. 15-minute. I'm gonna check chat in a second. Hella nice call. At 19:06 time. 19:06. Yeah. So we're looking at the same thing. Our first assessment of the market is often the best. Tonight was a good example. Absolutely, Brody. Absolutely. Hey, this is trade entertainment at its finest. At its finest. Look at that. First call. However, so like I said earlier, right, we're looking for the manipulation leg. So let me draw a path. Really good setup if we get bullish momentum. Absolutely, dude. There's a lot of points to be snatched from this. So really good setup if we get bullish momentum. I'm trying to see that manipulation leg. I'm trying to see us go higher. Maybe manipulate one more time and then finally displace. Fair value gap and take off. Hold on. Give me 1 second. This is basically what I'm looking for, by the way. Some type of just like little 1 minute, whatnot. But we'll see what happens, We'll see. I want to see manipulation, whatever happens. I want to see manipulation. So, yeah. I wish you all the success in the world, bro. Thank you, GamerX. Likewise. Thank you. Also, what y'all think about the standard deviation projections I showed earlier? I can show them again if you guys missed it. Wish you should make a Discord for viewers to join and share your screen if you can. I would, however, I kind of like the live streams right now. Setting up a Discord does take time, which I'm willing to put in, but as of right now, I feel like a live stream reaches a broader audience. But a Discord is definitely the moves. I think you're onto something there for sure. Yeah, it's a good idea. But that call, man, was bread and butter. We see the acceleration in price. Stop loss at this fair value gap high is just simple because if price were to reverse, then that just means we're wrong. But chances are we're right. We're so close to the sell side. So yeah. How many points would that have been? 833? Yeah, that would have been a 20-point play had I extended to the sell side. And it actually looks like it's a point of reversal too. So like Op was saying, I want to see this get inversed, I don't want to see it get inverse right now. I want to see us respect it right now, manipulate, and then invert. But, I'm open to anything. Potential inversion. We can all provide insight. Absolutely. Share your screen if you can. You guys can see my screen, so yeah. Alrighty. Been live for 23 minutes, approaching the 30-minute mark. We're chilling, we're cooling. Long night ahead of us. I shared your link with a guy that needs some help. I appreciate that, Nate. Word of mouth. Appreciate that a lot. Yeah. No, tell him to join upstream and ask any questions he has. Any questions. It's only me in chat right now, so yeah. Any questions? I really want to see this low get manipulated. But if we were to invert this fair value gap right now, then, maybe I'd have to be patient for displacement above this high because, have you had any payouts? No, I don't want to take any right now. I shared a link with a guy that needs some help. Oh yeah, I've already read that. Okay, so basically, the reason why I would like to see manipulation, right? Close above consequent encroachment, want to see good momentum now or else play fails. The play doesn't fail. It's just going to be delayed. But basically the reason I want to see manipulation is, so when we manipulate, we sweep this high right here, but then we have a closer local high to displace above and then retest. And the reason is, if we were to just zoom past this and invert this fair value gap, I'd want to see us displace above these local highs right here. But if we were to just manipulate, take this low, then I'm only looking for these local highs to be taken out. So imagine having to wait 20 points, whereas you only have to wait 5 points right here. I hope that made sense. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Potential inversion. That might be over analyzing price action, but whatever it gives me, I'll deal with. No trades yet, sitting on my hands, trying to play longs, trying to play the reversal. Man, my computer fan is so loud whenever I stream. I know it's creating so much background noise, but I can't fix that, bro. It is what it is. Okay. What's the price for your reversal potentially? So locked in FX, I don't really have a specific price for reversal. It just happens when I see it in price action. I mean, based off this candle, if we can close below those previous candles, then that's a good sign for me. It looks bearish as we had a choppy uptrend since last week. Nah, I feel like you're misinterpreting price, in my opinion. Right? I'm going to be very specific when I say my opinion. The reason is because, sure, we had bearish price action on Monday, right? 27th. Wait, was that Monday? I think it was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. We had a big drop over like a couple hundred points. But either way, we left these equal highs. We created SMT divergence at the lows. Now we're already coming right back up. And I don't know what the hourly candle. Hourly candle is obviously bearish, but that can very well change. And I think we just need to give it some time to reverse. And most of us in chat are trying to play the reversal, but we'll just have to see. It could extend lower. I'm about 100 from payout. Been here 2 previous times, then went on tilt. Calling it a night to be safe. Ciao. All right, Nate. Yeah, hey, bro, you're good, bro. Honestly, just don't. I know. The way I've been trading lately requires a lot of patience to sit through, and so yeah, just chill. Don't go on tilt. Be psychologically disciplined. I know streaming helps me not go on tilt. I have to put on a show, right? I have to be disciplined in front of y'all. So it really definitely helps with that. So when you're here in the stream, bro, don't go on tilt. Learn a thing or two about ICT trading and just, don't copy trade either. Yeah, just learn. Because I'm also learning from y'all. I learned some interesting things yesterday, like time dilation theory or something that I still have to look into. But yeah, just learn. Calling it a night to be safe. Yeah, you don't got to trade tonight, bro. Price action it's literally Thanksgiving. Like, we already had liquidity sweeps. There's no guarantee that we're gonna get that reversal. Bro, I respect your hustle. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I respect your hustle as well. I don't know what your hustle is, but I respect it. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okie dokie. Manipulated lower. We might be approaching that new day opening gap. That might be a point of contention to bounce off of. Yeah, like I said, manipulation leg potentially. And then if we invert that, then I'm looking for trades. The money you made not following your plan is not yours. Market is going to take it back. Yeah. Op has a good point. Psychologically, if the money you made not following your plan, then that money is not yours. And eventually, you're going to give it back through bad habits. So you have to correct your habits as you go. Money lost following your plan comes back with consistency. Exactly. 100%. I've been showing up on stream every day, doing it consistently in front of y'all. Hope y'all are entertained. Hope you guys are learning something. And I think, we'll continue working. 2 rules I follow. Yeah, what's up? What are the rules? Also, up, you see the manipulation lag right now, right? Might be calling price in real time. As we do it. That's how we do it. There's 2 things that can happen right now. Either we displace lower to the new day opening gap or we invert this fair value gap. I'd really like to see us invert this fair value gap, because if we leave that new day opening gap open, that's all the more bullish sign for me. 30 minutes live so far. Man, I love being live. Yes, sir. Op, good shit, good shit. Good shit, yeah. Damn, CD Lamb got injured. Bro. He's on the sideline. Keenan Allen and Sam Laporta, they went off for me. Fantasy football. Holy crap. They actually did so good. 2 touchdowns each. Insane. DJ Moore almost had 100 yards, 97. Cowboys are going to beat the Giants. Okay, yeah, that's expected, actually. Let's check my bench on fantasy football. Tempted to long and just put my stop loss at 822, but a 10-point stop loss with the 1 full contract, I'm not doing that. That's a $200 stop loss. I'd rather not. I want to take the safest entry possible with a tight stop loss. Well, initially a wide stop loss, and then I initially make it, and then I later make it tighter. But yeah, who's the Cowboys quarterback, bro? This shit is crazy. Who is C. Rush? No, he's tough, clearly, beating the Giants. Definitely need to make a Discord. That's for sure. Op was right. Op is right, 100%. Need to make that Discord. Alrighty. Volume's kind of slowed down a bit. So we're in the macro, right? This is a potential reversal zone. Let's draw it out. And I'm going to just label that 750 to 810 macro for y'all to see. Macro is basically algorithmically price zone where the algorithm likes to be more active than other time zones typically. A common macro you'll hear of is the 950 to 1010 macro AM session, Eastern timing. My hair is so cooked, bro. I need a haircut. Price action's kind of slow right now. Fuck, what is that? Volume has died down significantly. Or we're just accumulating ICT kill zones. Yeah. How many screens you have? 1. Only this is the only screen I trade on, bro. I don't need any other screen but this one alone. I don't really check ES. I mean, we can check ES right now. Yeah, ES swept everything. Bro, this is like setting up for like... This could be a nice long setup. I mean, worst case, we come down here, but 20 points on ES is not happening in NASDAQ. I mean, in the Asia session, with all due respect. Yeah, I mean, now I'm seeing a potential for the inversion that I was looking for. I feel like we're now displacing higher. True. One screen is fine, bro. Absolutely. I don't need anything apart from this one screen, bro. That's it. Most traders, most ICT traders really only look at one. I mean, I feel like I used to try and do two just so I could keep my eye on ES, but it's just too much. I like to keep everything simple. I don't use any indicators. I don't use any of that. So I remember saying earlier, maybe 5 minutes ago, could have just longed down here, place your stop loss right here. I would have just practice traded that, but I'm trying to take real legit entries and yeah, potential inversion. Let's see. Wait, yo, hey, skip back 10 minutes. Skip back 10 minutes and see what I did with the pathway manipulation. Let's see if my theory was right. Let's see. Let's see. Cause I don't know, bro. Something, my market intuition is just going off. I'm just calling price to the T. Like, this shit's crazy. This shit's insane. What the fuck? Excuse my language. For y'all coming in, this was just a practice trade where the stop loss was at the high of this fair value gap, and take profit was at this sell side liquidity on the left part of the screen. So yeah. If we cash this on, I'm saying, dude. That, I mean, I already had a $750 Thanksgiving trade last night and two this morning, but definitely never stop trading, especially when there's good volume right now too. It's Thanksgiving. It's kind of crazy. Okay, so now we have inverted this successfully. I'm gonna call this IFVG, obviously. Bro, I love you. What you mean that? What you mean, bro? I love you. I love you too. Pause. I don't know you, but we need to close above that to actually call it IFVG. Hey yo, yeah, that's real. Hey yo, bro, tell him about it. Oh, what is going on? I just want to spread fire pause. I just want to spread love, bro. I came off as an ego person. No, you're good, Brody. You're good. You're good. Don't worry. No worries at all. So if I extend this south side, right, it's really what we're bouncing off of. I'm going to try 5 micro long stop loss here. I'm in longs. Expecting the inversion, whatever. We can play towards, I feel like the most logical location to just take the trade off, in my opinion, I don't want to be greedy tonight. I just want to be a nice, profitable turkey today. Is that location. I think I can add more to this. Make this $100 stop loss. Yeah, we're good now. $800 take profit, potentially. I need to take a look at the new day opening gap. Where do we open? So 6 o'clock, right? Babe, you my everything. You my everything. Okay, this is a new day opening gap. Yeah, right above the new day opening gap. That'll be chill. That'll be something calm. Hey, okay. I need y'all to answer a question. Should I place my stop loss at 828 or 822? How many contracts? I'm in 7 micros. 7 micros, yes sir. Do not copy trade, whatever you do. Enter at your own discretion. Because, like I said, not every trade of mine is a winning trade. We haven't even inverted that fair value gap. This was an early entry. Kind of got excited, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Got what I was looking for, though. Got what I was looking for. Op, let me know if you're in this with me, though. I really want to know. Let me know. I want to know. I'm going to enter after inversion. That's smart. I should have done that. But, I mean, that's chill. That's a smart decision. I mean, hey, but all of y'all in chat, bro, skip back 10 minutes. I really want you guys to see me calling it with this little path tool. the manipulation, then the inversion. Now hopefully a retest and then further continuation. Called it, bro. Called it. Stick to my rules? Absolutely. I respect it. Absolutely. You got to stick to, yeah, no, that's valid, bro. 100%. I respect that 1000%. In right now, type shit. I like to take trades in the Asia session when it retests the inverse fair value gap, as in like price comes back down to the equilibrium of it. But yeah. Nothing worse than inverting a fair value gap than displacing below it immediately. That would really suck, but we'll see what happens. I might keep burping, excuse me. Good job, thank you. Appreciate you. It looks like a quick reversal. A little bit too quick for my liking, but yeah. I have a nice safe stop loss, so I'm not tripping about it at all. So if I move my stop loss down here, what happens? 200? Is 200 worth it? No, it's not. I'll keep it back there for 125 right here. Or actually, yeah, 121. There. Chat's been active and I've only been live for 41 minutes, so yeah, let's get it, bro. Appreciate y'all being in here. Appreciate y'all spending your Thanksgiving with me. And yeah, let's lock in on this trade. Lock in on the market itself. Oh, my mouse is not working. I thought my mouse was frozen for a second. It kind of was, but I don't know. Something's weird about this trade, but I fuck with it. So we need to look for zones that price is going to reject. I really want to see us invert this on the 5 minute. That would just be super bullish to me. If we can invert it, that would be nice. First trade of the night. First trade of the night. Technically second, but did not enter that first one. So, man, I love playing the market both ways though. Tape reading is worth it, 100%. Our screen looks dull. I mean, it's trading, bro. It's not supposed to be fun and exciting and full of flowers and dopamine cuts. So, yeah. With all due respect. It's not supposed to be exciting, bro. 1 minute point of contention. I have a lot of shit on my chart now. We weren't able to really close outside this 15-minute fair value gap, just barely, so that's also a very, very nice sign. It's a higher time frame PD array. So yeah, you want to see good bullish momentum? Absolutely. I mean, this is the displacement. Like, I feel like we're set. No flowers. It's bad on eyes. I don't know what you mean by it's bad on eyes. You want me to, like, you can reduce your brightness on your end, but I like the way this set looks. But yeah. No flowers, it's bad on eyes for us who are watching. I don't know what to do about it, bro. I mean, if that's the case, you can dip, bro. I'm in here to educate on trading. I'm not here to, like, I'm not here to fucking please your eyes, I guess. Which is a crazy thing to say. Pause. Yo, alright, so we've displaced above this local high, which is what I was talking about earlier. And oh my gosh, it actually, I actually amazed myself with that call. Manipulation, then inverts the fair value gap. Entry. Holy crap. I entered early. I mean, that's okay, but damn. Man, I can't believe I just did that. Live too, so yeah. But basically what I think is going to happen is maybe we retest bullish order block, right? So that's probably like a 5 minute order block. Or 3 minute actually, yeah. So maybe we retest that and then we continue higher. Once we continue higher, I'd like us to really close above this 5 minute fair value gap. And then I don't want to see us stop at this 1 minute. I want to see us accelerate through that. You on personal or funded? Personal will come later in life. Yeah, we can mark this out as a market structure shift. I mean, okay, I'm not going to call it market structure shift. It's implied. Plus OB means bullish order block. And I'm going to put the risk to reward ratio up just for my personal knowledge. Let's see, this was on this candle I entered. So 175. This is a 1 to 6 risk to reward. I love that risk to reward. So yeah, if we can reach this high and cross above, I'm going to enter one more contract. Actually, no, I'm not increasing my risk on this, but that is the next point of contention for sure. We have fair value gap above that. So yeah, no, I'm not on a challenge right now. So yeah. I get the same question every day on gang. I do. I get that shit every day. I'm a market maker. Top step. Trading view charts, obvious, of course. You know, Ninja Trader's kind of weird. I don't know whose charts they use, but I wanted to go there at one point, but I don't know. I didn't want to refamiliarize myself with with some new trading charts. Okay, this 5 minute does seem to be inverted. I'm gonna now mark this out as a 5 minute IFEG, and I want to see us retest and bounce if we do want to come back to the equilibrium of that. What is your profit taking? Looking to add more. My entry is 834. Your entry is 834. That's a great entry, bro. Better than mine. What's my profit? My profit taking is 893, and the reason is we have equal highs. We also have a nice little. I don't know where this fair value gap. Okay, we have an inverse fair value gap there, right? But we also have new week opening gap. Which is such a large point of contention lately, and we even have the new day opening gap, which let me actually find out where that was. I mean the new day opening gap is like in that vicinity. I have no real interest in props. I'm just learning about them, so figured I'd ask. Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Yeah, no. Prop firms are good. You like most beginning traders that don't want to put on too much capital, bro. Gotta lock in with them prop firms. Good shit, bro. Good shit though, bro. Keep it up. I really do appreciate you, bro. Thanks for tuning in. 845 ALX. Please drop a subscribe. I appreciate it. If you're seeing my calls, man, thank you. I mean, seeing my my take on price and takes on prop firms. Let me know your thoughts on what you think about prop firms, and if you would ever get started, I recommend Top Step. I'm not affiliated or sponsored by them. I'm just a small YouTuber. But also, everyone, please in chat hit the subscribe button. Road to 200. I appreciate that. So yeah, this is what I drew to the tick. To the T, I meant. This is what I drew earlier. You can skip back to verify. Sweep, manipulate leg. Create the inverse fair value gap, maybe retest, and then boom, higher. Love calling price live. Love doing it. This is a 1 to 6.5 risk to reward ratio. Something calm, something chill. And we are 1/4 of the way there to my profit taking mark. This is a zone that I want to see price come back into. This was a 5 minute fair value gap. Frick, what am I doing? This was a 5 minute fair value gap. And yeah, that line marks the entrance to a 5 minute fair value gap. We got 20 viewers live. What's good, y'all? Appreciate y'all tuning in. Right now, we're just hitting longs on MNQ, micro NASDAQ. I'm in 7 micros, and yeah, profit taking mark is at 893. We have equal highs there. We also have an inverse fair value gap, new week opening gap, and I'm gonna take a look at actually where the new day opening gap for today was. I don't know. I literally looked at it and then I forgot. Yeah, new day opening gap is here as well. So it's just a really strong point of contention. I'm already bullish overall, so yeah. What am I doing with your trade yesterday? It did hit my target. Do you go live every day? Yes, sir. Ovidiu Popa. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Sophie 2021, I did end up hitting my target. There's a video coming out on it tomorrow. I made $750. I'm going to show you the executions right now. Give me 1 second. Chart executions. Okay, let's take a look. Uh, so here we have the long orders. Here we hit the long orders right here, right? And basically after those long orders were hit, I mean after I entered those longs, right? This is me hitting the profit taking mark 15, damn near 15 hours later, at 10:21 a.m. Eastern timing, and yeah, that was a $750 profit. So yeah, everyone in the stream, bro, a lot of people in the stream are saying that's not gonna hit, exit, don't drain yourself. But nah, I don't know how to listen to people, man. That's why I do trading. I'm like, I don't like hearing people tell me what to do, but yeah, it's important to get second opinions. I know some other folks who were in long with me but exited prematurely, but yeah, that was a trade last night. I was live for 5 hours. Pretty draining, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, we're back at it today, and we're doing it again because somebody has to cook, right? Not worried about the account balance. I'm not worried about how much money I'm up right now. Stop loss is not going to break even until I'm 50% away. Damn, so you play a lot of longs? Nah, it's market conditions, bro. I took this short right here, right? So, and I called sell side liquidity. So it's not only longs 845 ALX. It's also just it's mainly just whatever the market tends to do. Whatever I see comfortable doing in the market. How long I've been trading? 11 months. I used to do my love. This troll, bro. I got a level at 873. What's the reason behind 873? I want to know. I want to know your opinion. I want to know what you see there. Yeah. This is a greedy trade for sure. I mean, 893 might be a little bit too much to ask for, but this is a displacement that like any trader would love. Any ICT trader would just love seeing, bro. Are you copy trading all your accounts? Do you have the 50Ks or 150Ks? I'm not copy trading anything right now, but I'm on a 50K. So yeah, working towards more combines for sure though in the future. Just not trading them. Dang, it's moving. Missed my ad. Dude, don't even worry about adding to your position. Take profit, hit. Good work, Brody. Good work. So yeah, like I said, we're in the 5-minute fair value gap now. I'm gonna delete that and I'm now gonna mark it out. I don't like having way too many things on my chart, but yeah, the price acceleration is pretty crazy. Hold on. Let me turn this on. But yeah, calling all of this live. Walk through price, walk through what I was thinking, everything, and yeah, this is displacement at its finest capacity. I mean, this is a 5-minute point of contention. I really am like skeptical about holding the trade through this, but I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I'm already too locked in with this. Good stuff, bro. I'm out. Good stuff, Brody. Good stuff. Hopefully this trade doesn't come all the way back on me. That would be terrible, to be honest. But I love those equal highs over there, and we've already swept a lot of sell side liquidity, just like we have the day before. So yeah, good stuff up. Good trade, bro. Good trade. Good work, dude. Good work. So yeah, we have the unrealized profit and loss. So yeah. Yeah. Do you normally just leave your original stop loss? I leave my original stop loss until we're halfway through with the position. If I'm halfway through my take profit, when did you become confident in your candle reading? When I started live streaming. And what I mean by that is I make sure to assert that everything I say is not certain, right? The market can or like it will or will not do it. Like at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Like I'm gonna enter if I see what I like. Molly Sailor, hi, what's up, Molly? Do you normally just leave your original stop loss or do you move it to break even? So as I was saying, if I hit like 50% of my take profit, right? So that would probably be like around 868, or maybe through this 5-minute fair value gap. Then yeah, I'd move my stop loss to break even. Yesterday's price action was painful. It's better today. 100%, yo. I don't know. Something was just fucking terrible about that shit, bro. That shit was atrocious. But either way, it's a lot better today. I like it so much more. We've already swept south side. Might be targeting this buy side, so I need to mark out the new day opening gap real quick. Let's see. New day opening gap was, where's that? Let's get a horizontal ray because I know it's not that many points. So right here. So we closed, we opened. I guess I'll just mark it out here. Okay, I'm gonna have to use a rectangle. So yeah, I like my take profit mark. It is near a lot of points of contention. Inverse fair value gap, which is not that important. New week. Yeah, I'm gonna actually. It's not that important. I don't know why I have that shit there. But this was just something I was backtesting before I hopped on stream, like inverse fair value gap, and then we went lower. We even retested it again here, right? So yeah. Don't even apologize for all the questions. I love answering them. I have fun. I love streaming. It's fun. Don't even apologize for that. Do you find more success trading Asia session? It seems like you're doing good. I do like Asia session just because like I feel like the price action is like kind of slower and smoother, right? So it's like it feels like it's better to do that other than the New York session. New York session I was tape reading the other day, and I ended up taking some trades as well as tape reading, and I made 590 on stream just yesterday morning. So I mean, but I definitely am only streaming Asia session because I'm not in school at that time. I can't stream New York session because I'll be at school. But New York session, I'm more cautious. I'm more cautious on New York session for sure, for sure. Like this stop loss of 121 on the New York session, right? It looks like a pretty big stop loss, but that would probably be like 300 with 7 micros. So yeah, so it's really about risk management. I like the Asia session for risk management purposes. Do you find, sorry for all the questions. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, so like I was saying, points of contention, new week opening gap, new day opening gap. We also have equal highs here, and then we finally even have equal highs right here. So yeah, there's a lot of points of contention right there for me to just, play towards. So I'm pretty confident we're almost halfway through with the position, so I can move my stop losses to break even pretty soon. I'd be pretty confident moving it right now, but I'm a little bit paranoid when it comes to manipulation. So yeah. Only ICT trader doing it live. 25 viewers in the chat. I really appreciate it if y'all all go and subscribe right now and like this video. Trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of the month. Almost there. And yeah. Do you have plans in the future of opening a Discord? I hope not, and you continue trading here on YouTube. I'll open a Discord, sure, but I love trading on YouTube, and I don't really plan on trading in Discord or something. I don't want to make it some type of something exclusive. A mentorship, like where I teach people one-on-one, could definitely be like, that could be like good, because apart from the time I spend streaming on YouTube, maybe doing a mentorship would like help people outside of that, but I'm not really looking into all that right now. Like I really enjoy just trading on stream. That's just what I love to do. I hope not you continue trading here on YouTube. Yeah, not only just trading here on YouTube. I have a video coming out tomorrow. I was about to say coming out yesterday. I have a video coming out tomorrow. And by the way, look at this reversal. Look at the strength of this reversal. Price's velocity is also very inclined to reach not only this liquidity right here, but maybe even this high, and then also retest the equilibrium of this 15-minute fair value gap. So we're boosting. We're moving for sure on NASDAQ. And yeah, I can now move my stop loss to break even. So whatever happens on this trade, I've lost no money. I'm chilling. I'm cooling. I'm not tripping about anything. I like to keep it a little bit above, just maybe $11 above. And the reason is so I can see my profit so far. So yeah, I love trading live though. I love trading live, and yeah, almost I'm approaching the first hour of being live on the day. And yeah, we got a little something going here. We got a little something going. Got a little trade going. Little trade. Okie dokie. So what was I looking at earlier? Crap. Okay, yeah. Let's continue monitoring this position. Nothing crazy happening. It's just displacing, and really. Let me draw out this. We're in a 5-minute fair value gap. I really want to see us invert that. I don't want to see us, bounce too much on this higher time frame order block. That might be a 15-minute order block. Okay, so we also have a 15-minute inversion. We need to hold that for 15 more minutes. Might be improbable, but we'll see. I don't want to just see us displace below this. Oh, non-stop talking. Love streaming. Absolutely love streaming. Man, this shit is fun. Anyone watching Dolphins and who's playing? Dolphins and Packers. That's such an interesting game. Packers already scored. Are you kidding me? What the fudge? That's crazy. Bro. They must have had an interception. Oh, kick return touchdown. Wait, what? No. punting. That's crazy. Glad I found you here. Very rare I find an ICT trader that live streams Asia sessions. Not that I'm copy trading you, but it's nice to hear someone's biases. Actually, that's the reason why I sometimes tune into streams during the New York session. Actually, most of the time, all the time. Like, the reason is because I love to get second opinions. And I think it's super important to just understand, right? Like what somebody else is thinking. However, you should not let that affect what your already preset biases, but you can definitely take in more stuff, like, and take stuff into account. And that what I said is pretty cliche, pretty regular shit, but basically just, it's nice to have a second opinion. So I definitely agree with you on that. Very rare I find an ICT trader that live streams Asia sessions. That's why I do it, because somebody has to do it. And I think people need to bring more attention to the Asia session. The Asia session is so underrated. It's so undervalued. Like, bro, I'm literally trading it so regularly. It's such a calm trading session too. Like, not much is happening, It's just slow price action, slowly just working, And yeah, I love the Asia session a lot. It's done a lot of good stuff for me. It's taught me so much about ICT. And yeah, and I've been finding the usefulness of inverse fair value gaps and order blocks lately, so it definitely helps with that. I usually watch the Bengals, but they are sad this year. You know what's crazy? The Bengals have a lot of close games. And Jamar Chase with 200 plus yards, bro, it's crazy. It would be good. You don't have to be live, but we could trade together. Hey, I got Instagram, so same username, Vish Trades. For sure, follow my Instagram. And yeah, bro. I mean, hey, I don't really like trading when I'm talking to like I don't know, because when I used to trade with my friend, right, we would take similar entries, but that was a problem. We would take similar entries, so when we had similar losses, right, we would tend to blame each other for those losses. Therefore, are you right or am I right? So I don't know. I just like trading off of, if I am right, then I'm right, and if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, and it's me alone at the end of the day. I trade with y'all, and you guys give your opinions, but you should have seen last night, bro. A lot of people were saying longs are not going to work out, but I hit that 14 and a half hour long. 5 hours of it was on stream. Most of the time I was break even, but I still stuck through with my bias. So I like tuning into live streamers that live stream ICT, but when it comes to actually talking to someone before I enter, I don't like it, because sometimes they could, instill little bits of doubt. Bro, trading with a friend is fucked up. I trade alone and I do not care what anyone says. Yeah, but it's also good to be open-minded at the end of the day. Asia is usually better as long as it's moving. I wouldn't say Asia's better, right? It depends on the day, and it depends on what New York session did. If we had a continuation day in New York, then it kind of makes Asia a little bit more difficult, because then Asia is forced to generate liquidity that it has to then stomp out later. They lose when they shouldn't, and almost win against the best teams low. Exactly, bro. I've noticed that trend in the Bengals. They almost beat the freaking Ravens, but they had to go for the two-point conversion, which is valid. They fought a tough game, but still. Trailer. Makes sense. Good way of thinking. Appreciate you. Do you use a strategy for Asia session? I don't really have any for ICT. I just use gamma exposures from FPX for NY session. Daksh Gupta, which time frame? I'm on the 1 minute. Molly Sailor, right? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna answer. Do you use a strategy for Asia session? I don't really have any for ICT. Just use gamma exposure from SPX from NY session. So the common misconception is that ICT is a strategy. ICT is kind of like several concepts mixed into one to like give you points of contention, give you confluences as to how to enter a trade. I guess you can word it as a strategy, but the way I like to see it is several concepts that kind of give you, the price action reader, the true knowledge of, or not necessarily true knowledge of what price is going to do, because at the end of the day we never have true knowledge of what price is going to do, but signs. And the biggest sign for me is the draw on liquidity. If equal highs, we swept lows, and we're already bullish in my opinion, so I think we're going to buy side liquidity. Like next year I'm gonna make a Discord and start to teach people, but I need to have a little more under my belt. Same with me. I still have a lot more to learn, so I agree with that for sure. Can you shift your photo to right so we can see your other details on charts? I mean, there's really nothing else on my chart, bro. I'm not gonna shift the camera either, because I have the ticker symbol in the top right, so people know what I'm trading. Okie dokie. We are now retesting this line that I have here, which is technically just a little higher time frame order block. I recently started back testing the Asia session and journaling my results. Definitely more consistent so far. To Jay, I'm glad to hear that, bro. The Asia session has some really, really hidden gems, bro. Back testing it too can really help you out with the New York session. For me, it's built a lot more patience, especially because you'll see some good setups at 6:30, then you'll see some really good setups at 7:30, then all of a sudden you'll see the best setup at 8:30. Like, and I'm talking about those time frames across different days. So it's really important to just find, like, just be patient and be able to sit on your hands until price's velocity starts moving. I add price levels to my TOS charts. Red equals soft and purple equals hard. Interesting. Pause. Are you trading with any prop firms or personal funds? Prop firms. Where are you from? You don't need to answer if it's too personal. I'm from the United States, so I'm not really about to say what state, but I'm in the South. Hey, if anyone's in this trade with me, let me know. With me as in you guys are also in longs. Doesn't have to be my exact place, whatever. I just want to know who's in longs as well. Definitely want to know. 873. I mean, yeah, 873 is a tough level. That's why I'm like concerned right now because we're taking a long time to get through this 5 minute fair value gap. So, yeah, your levels are potentially accurate. Hard level for sure. I mean, we've displaced though. I've seen Asia just do these continuations, bro. So yeah, and actually, I'm so confident about this level because of how many like points of contention we have in it. Which prop firm is good for beginners and how many days you pass the challenge? For me, like I typically take like a week to pass because I'm taking like higher leverage trades, like these 5-7 micros, which is going for those bigger moves. So typically for me, like 5-4, sometimes even 4 trading sessions. Good for beginners. Top Step, personal favorite. Gonna add more if it taps the lower 5-minute BISI. Let me take a look. Sophie, pyramiding in this situation might be risky, but it's up to you. I don't want to give any advice as to how to add to your position or do anything like that, but yeah. So this is is this a 5-minute BISI you're talking about? And yeah, I mean, this wick right here is kind of scary. It's a swing high. I want to see a swing low in the near future, so I don't expect me to just blast off to plus 500 profit. I want to see us come lower and then come higher. If we fucking come all the way down and stop me out, I'm going to be fine with that because that just shows that price didn't have the readiness to go to the 792 level, and then I'll be back trading tomorrow. Which going to add more if it taps the lower 5-minute BISI. I already read that. Lower one. Okay, so you're talking about this one right here. Do you typically wait for it to tap the top wick or like equilibrium? Because for me, I've been finding like top wick better. What percentage risk you take per trade? I don't look at my trades like that. I just look at is my stop loss tight or not. For this trade, I had a $120 stop loss, right? A $121 stop loss, and basically, I'm not really concerned with like the percentages. It's a matter of like, if I take this trade and it doesn't work out, will I fuck up the account? But then I was able to just move my stop loss to break even, simply due to the fact that this trade's working out, and the trade crossed 50% of my take profit. I kind of like that new rule I created for myself though, crossing 50% of my take profit. I really fuck with it for sure. So, yeah. Oh, we got 30 people in here. I think it's all-time high viewers, so I appreciate all of y'all being in here. Please, everyone, hit the subscribe button right now. We're on the road to 200. I've been calling price live today, and yeah, one thing that I want to tell y'all about is the manipulation moves. ICT, I feel like, kind of overshadows them with order blocks and all that, and order blocks, fair value gaps and whatnot. But manipulation moves where we have this sweep and we initially don't just cross and invert this fair value gap, but then we sweep out this low one more time and then we start to reverse. That's one of the biggest concepts that I've used to pass multiple like prop firm accounts and stuff like that. Also, this 15-minute fair value gap right here that I've extended across my chart, it's a bullish fair value gap that we're holding after sweeping sell side liquidity. That's super bullish to me. Similarly, we failed to close outside of it. I mean, we kind of did, but like that just doesn't count. We've like closed on the line, and then we've displaced higher. I feel like this bullish position is good. So the contracts that you use is based off how wide your stop loss. Exactly. 120 USD is how much percentage does it count? Less than 1%. Yep, less than 1%. But yeah. Okie dokie. What time do you usually come live every day? Hey, Ovidio, I know hey, you were typing all caps earlier too, man. You're a crazy motherfucker. Chill out, bro. Nah, but I go live like after Asia session starts typically. I might go live New York session tomorrow. It just depends on like if we're not just consolidating all day. I feel like tomorrow we might actually, and this might sound a little bit insane, right? But I feel like tomorrow the plan might be for in the New York session to actually tap the 21,025 level, which I was looking at 2 days ago. This is a level that I've been talking about, and it's just equal highs at this point. We've had SMT divergence at the lows with ES, so I really think that we're gonna reach those highs in the near future. Also, ES is pretty close to creating all-time highs itself, right? So a 4 hour on ES. So look at that, we're pretty close to creating all-time highs. So I think, and look at this, the all-time highs are literally equal highs. So it's just looking like high probability to me. I feel like tomorrow's not going to be a lame trading session though. Is tomorrow half day too? No. No way it is. I don't think so. Nah, because the way Asia session is trading, I don't think it's going to be. It's the first time I traded Asia. This is the first time. Okay. Are you in longs right now, Ovidio? Or did you take the earlier shorts? Also, I really have to piss. I'll be back in a second. So I feel like what we're doing right now is we're accumulating buy orders. Oh shit, what the hell? Hold on. Okay, my fault. I feel like what we're doing right now is accumulating buy orders to go higher. We're accumulating inside of this imbalance, this 5 minute fair value gap. So it's just looking, and also we're failing to really close below this. So it's just looking like now we're accelerating. We've also had a very, very calm little manipulation leg right there. So yeah, I want to see some type of price acceleration like very soon. I feel like this candle's going to be hammered back up, and if it's not, then yeah. And okay, it's the first time I trade Asia. Not used to it, but it's moving nice. Yes, longs. So don't expect Asia to move nice every day. You know, yesterday was atrocious. Entered in the 15 minute fair value gap. Good work. Good stuff. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm assuming Ovidio Popa, based off your entry, can you tell me what exactly your confluence was, I guess, for getting in there? CME closes 1 p.m. Eastern on Friday. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate that. Yeah. Want to see price inverse the 1 minute? Talking about this 1 minute. To be honest, yeah, I want to see that too. I'm not gonna mark it out because that's too much on the chart. But you know what? Fuck it. That's important. Thank you for pointing that out, Op. Onto inverts, then we're gonna label that inverse fair value gap. Bro, I swear, this is a nice Op. You are a smart guy, bro. Thank you for calling that out. Op. You're a very smart guy. Thank you. And there we go. We're officially almost to these equal highs right here. This is the next location of contention. So I want to know, are you guys entertained? Are you guys entertained by me live calling price, manipulation, inversion, not closing below this line right here, this like higher time frame order block, consolidating and accumulating before we displace within this 5-minute fair value gap? Bro, this shit's crazy, bro. This shit's crazy. It's like I'm tape reading my own. I am tape reading my own entry basically. Want to see price inverse 1 minute? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is the next point of contention. Equal highs, and yeah. Volume gap there as well. Good level. Volume imbalance. Nice. Yeah, we also even have a 1 minute inverse fair value gap right here. Want to see if price respects that. If I told you how long I've been trading for you would be shocked. Rejecting VWAP. Damn, I hate using VWAP, but let's add it. No, I don't. Nope. We're not adding we're not adding it to the chart. I haven't had an indicator on my chart in forever, bro, and it's just not happening again, bro. With all due respect. But yeah, rejecting VWAP at 2070 is bad looks probably, but yeah, we'll see. How long have you been trading op? I want to know. For sure. So we wicked and created equal highs, so we're going to come back there soon enough, hopefully. We'll be back. We will be back there. Price would come down. Yeah, I'm expecting it to come down a little bit. 2 months, really? Wow, you're a fast learner, bro. You're a fast learner for sure. That's really good, bro. I feel like the biggest thing for me is I took a while to learn ICT, obviously. And came through trial and error and also watching a lot of live streams. There's a point where I would watch TJR's live stream, but he would just be absolutely batshit crazy in the live stream, so I just didn't really fuck with it that much. But again, I told you I have a lot of passion for this craft and respect it a lot. Good stuff, bro. Yeah, I can tell you put a lot of time in then for the last 2 months. Op, what made you come to the Asia session? I'm getting used to ICT. Been trading support resistance. Oof, trading support resistance. I don't like that. At all. But I hope you become more accustomed to ICT. A video. I thought you were gonna say 20 years. Yeah, same, bro. I thought you were gonna say something crazy like 5-6 years. I've had more success than other traders, but I don't compare. I started September 24th. Yeah, bro. That's good, bro. That's good. I mean, success is subjective at the end of the day. So, continue working. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Man, my mouse keeps glitching, but alright, we're good. I'm using my trackpad, by the way. No indicators on my chart. One screen and trackpad. We're locked in all the way. I was bored low, and I like talking to respected traders. Low, I'm only 20. Okay, no, that's chill, bro. I'm 18 right now, so yeah. I mean, the younger you start, the more experience you gain. I've been trading for 1 year now, still not profitable. That's valid, bro. I've been trading for 11 months. I'm not like either, so yeah. You just gotta be locked in. There was a time though. Every single day, every single hour of the chart, I used to get to school at. I mean, I still do. I get to school at like 7:15. From then on, I would just be on my charts like literally all day, bro. Just like pressing buttons, losing money. So yeah. That was earlier in the year. But yeah, this entry is officially up $410, as you can see in the bottom right. Yeah, we're just consolidating right now. I mean, I feel like price is wanting to accelerate higher, but it's just stopping for some reason, bro. I mean, I really want to see us displace above this high in the next 5 minutes. So, okay, we're gonna give it, and I'm gonna put a time limit on this. I want to give it until 58. So 8:58. Displace or don't, or don't bother. Let's do that. Oh, that's too corny. By 8:58, displace above. And if it doesn't, then maybe we're due for like a small retracement. I've been getting better since I focused on ICT. Yeah, bro, that's for sure, dude. ICT has a lot of amazing concepts, dude, that you're gonna find super helpful for like your entire trading journey. Damn, is it? Fuck, what is that? Hold on. Okay. Are you mostly trading NQ or do you like any other tickers? Only NQ. I used to do a lot of gold. I got a combine pass on gold one time, but nah, I don't fuck with gold anymore. Macro is running. Oh, we're in the macro. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I don't know. I don't like marking out the 850 to 910 macro because I mainly just pay attention to the 750 to, like, where is that? Where did I have it marked out? Here. 750 to 810 macro. Rick Barry. Or not Rick Barry, Megamind Taylor. So Op said the thing I'm worried about with trading with myself is I know a lot about markets and my momentum has been really good, but I know there's going to be a day where it all stops, maybe not. You have to control yourself. You have to anticipate it, and even if you feel it, maybe take a break from trading, do some tape reading. Tape reading is one of the most helpful things that you'll ever do, bro. Trust me. Especially when it comes to life in general, bro, like it just helps you psychologically, patience-wise, everything. What time did you enter and why did you, if you don't mind? I don't mind at all. Absolutely, bro. So I'm going to turn on execution so you can take a look. By the way, almost live for an hour, 30 minutes. We have 30 plus people in here. Please, everyone, go hit that subscribe button right now. Please, I really do appreciate it. Like the video if you're enjoying. And yeah, we're on the road to 200 subs. 200 soon. Almost there. So basically, I entered 5 micros and I just decided to add 2 more because the stop loss was tight anyways. And initially, I had my stop loss below this wick for like 121 actually. And basically, I entered because we had the manipulation leg, and then we're starting to extend towards this towards this fair value gap that we do end up inverting later. And we've already swept sell side liquidity that I have marked out on the chart. And basically, all the way over here on the left side, you can see I have it marked out with the black straight lines. And basically, we swept sell side, so I was just thinking like, all right, let me long. I want to play towards I already have a bullish bias, so that's the trade. And we've kind of respected every level I've outlined. So, these order blocks, we've inverted the 5 minute. We've also inverted this 1 minute. This could be a potential retrace. If that happens, that'll be pretty bad, but I hope not. Yeah, that's the entry, and that's why. And now I have my stop loss at, positive break even, basically. What's up, bro? I'm looking at this right now at time distortion to have a price like expansion lower. Okay, Pancakes Eater. What's up? What's up? I remember you from yesterday. How you doing, bro? I'm chilling, by the way. Okay, so who else calls it in real time like this? By 8:58. By 8:58, displace above. It is currently 8:56 Eastern timing, by the way, PM. So yeah, time distortion, bro. I'm still yet to look at that. I want to check it out. It seems cool. So we're displacing above. Hopefully it's not just another sweep. But yeah. Chilling, we're cooling. Nice little trade for y'all tonight. Walking y'all through it as well. Been working hard, been streaming every day, and I want y'all to see that trading is possible. Anybody can do it. Anyone. I do it every night. Y'all can too. Free to join in. Bro, you are amazing. Hey, I appreciate you, Amit. I appreciate that a lot. You're a real one. I appreciate it. And we have tapped this equal high. We have now ran the equal highs. Yeah, I gave price 5 minutes to do what I wanted to do, and it listened, so that was nice. So now we're above the equal highs, and yeah, love your knowledge. Thank you, bro, so much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, just gotta learn, bro. Just gotta put the time in and learn. What the hell is on my pen? Fuck. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. I had some tape on my pen or something. I'll throw that away later. I mean, ICT talks about time distortion as well, but doesn't really explain what he means. Op said, wow, yes sir. NQ only goes up? Nah, bro, actually it went down first, but we play reversals here. Are you going to be trading AM tomorrow? Potentially. I don't know yet. New York AMs, yeah, I got you. Yeah, I mean, I might. I don't know yet. But let's worry about this trade right now. Okay, if we want acceleration, right, I kind of want to leave this fair value gaps lower quadrant open. So that means below the equilibrium mark for acceleration purposes. Price velocity is really underrated when it comes to any type of like trading concepts and whatnot. Like price velocity is a big thing that determines like whether price is about to displace and whatnot. I mean, ICT talks about time distortion as well, but doesn't really explain what he means. Yeah, I don't even know what time distortion is, and I've never really paid attention if ICT mentioned it. But I want to watch it. I want to watch that 20-minute Morpheus. I mean, video on it. I want to watch that. What you recommended yesterday. It's interesting. If you are ill, put a reminder on my. If you will, what? Okay, put a reminder on my calendar. Bet. Yeah, absolutely, bro. Thank you. Would like to take a short. Okay. I would not like to take a short, me personally. So I'm not gonna do that. But bro, you do you. I have no opinion that will be useful to you if you have already determined what you're going to do. So yeah. Where can I learn about all these terms like order block manipulation, IFVG, sell side liquidity? So not only can you learn about it from here and future educational content, but as of right now, if you want to learn something immediately, go to ICT 2022 mentorship. But before that, because that's like the knowledge base. Before that, check out T Trades, check out Justin Werline's playlist on his YouTube channel, How to Trade ICT. That really helped me actually. The week after I watched that playlist, I passed a combine in like 5 days. It needs to displace, not just tap. Yeah, I agree with that, Megamind Taylor. I agree with that. But we've also displaced above these local highs. These equal highs are just a small point of contention. We also have fair value gaps above that. So price is going to run into a little bit of resistance there, in my opinion. But hey, we're in the last leg, bro. In the last leg near my take profit, bro. We've already displaced very sharply. We're in that last leg, so I'm hopeful, but I'm not unrealistic. I'm not unrealistic. I'm realistic about it. Molly Saylor, me too. I joined Justin's group, lol. Okay, so you joined his mentorship. Yeah, I mean, nothing wrong with joining mentorships. I personally have never paid to learn anything trading related except for the losses that I've incurred when trading in the markets, but I never paid for a mentorship. I feel like everything's just free out there. But one thing that I kind of don't like about like trading groups and stuff is like they'll show their trades live and it kind of makes you dependent, you know what I mean? But yeah, on these live streams, bro, I'm walking through everything. If you're not learning something, then ask questions so you can learn something. But also, joining Justin's group, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing at all. Nothing wrong with that at all. I also considered it at one point too. I decided not to, but it's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. So I'm never really gonna knock anyone for doing that. Okie dokie, approaching the take profit, 10 points away. Yeah, it's more organized for me though. What do you mean organized? Define that. What do you mean by it's more organized? Is it like more succinct and stuff? Which is a good thing, yeah. Alrighty, I am confident about my take profit now. We're in that final leg up. I'm not moving my not moving my stop loss though. I'm arrogant when it comes to my stop loss. Searched up how to trade like ICT, many diff vids on any recommendations, haha. Yeah, I think good stuff, bro. Up, thank you, bro. You as well. I know you were in those longs. You exited a tad bit early, but there's nothing wrong with that. Take your profits. You made money today. Chill. Go to sleep. Wake up and do it again tomorrow. Okay, so Rick Berry searched up how to trade like ICT, many different vids. Any recommendations? Yeah, bro. So, like all the materials organized and easy to follow. Okay, that's good, Molly. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So basically, Rick Berry, you can go to Justin Werline's channel. In the playlist, you can search in his playlist on Justin Werline's channel, which it's JUSTIN space WERLIEN. Basically, there's a channel in that playlist. There's a playlist in the channel that's like how to trade ICT, and it just describes like he talks about fair value gaps, market maker buy, market maker sell models, things like that. And right now we're in a market maker buy model. Yeah, if I was backtesting this, I'd go long too. So, yeah. And you can also go to this one account which simplifies it, either Casper SMC or T Trades or both. I learned some stuff about order blocks from Casper SMC, but yeah. Also, this is looking like a good buy model to me. We might have an overnight continuation, but I really just want to play towards this final high right here, and then I'll call it a day. So yeah. I'm not really concerned with like the continuation of price. But what I'm really proud about this trade is the fact that it did manipulate according to how I said it would, then inverse the 1 minute fair value gap. I feel like just seeing those types of things after sell side liquidity sweeps are important, important to recognize as a trader. And it kind of proves that ICT is real as hell. Like it's so real, everything he talks about. Market maker X model, yep, market maker buy, market maker sell. At its finest, absolutely, bro. ICT in its purest form of demonstration. Purest form of demonstration, yeah. Everyone, turn those notifications on, bro. We're gonna be streaming Asia session next week. Sunday Asia session next week. Yeah, thank you, bro. Wish you all the best. Thank you. I really do appreciate that, Rick. Please drop a subscribe and a like. Appreciate you, Rick. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, hope your ICT journey goes well. Goes great, actually. Not just well, goes great. Yeah, you got it, bro. Alrighty. Any 5-minute points of contention. So we did actually displace above that high, which was really nice. Final leg of resistance that I really want to see us, push past is this 5-minute fair value gap. It's the only thing I'm skeptical about in this trade before we reach take profit. I got you, man. Thank you, Rick. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you all for showing love tonight. Appreciate you guys. Keeping chat active as usual. You already know. The vibes are immaculate. Appreciate that. Appreciate you as well. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Thank you. Yeah. Find love with ICT, bro. ICT, bro, is my first love. Real shit. It's my first love. But yeah, this is one ICT demonstration, but I've had a lot of similar setups. So yeah, like ICT, man, it's a real thing. It's a real thing for sure. There are nights where this type of trade would get stopped out. So yeah. I was just more confident because we were already moving fast and we're already bullish. So yeah, probably going to leave one runner after 893. Yeah, that's a good idea. I don't really like trading off stream, so I'm just gonna turn it. I'm gonna be done after. I'm just gonna collect everything after that. All right, bro. I'm gonna head out, man. See ya. Hope to see you tomorrow. Yeah, bro. No Asia session stream tomorrow, but I mean, New York AM session could be a possibility. I'm gonna have to see though. Turn notifications on though, for sure. Ever since I added new day opening gap and new week opening gap to my trading, I swear it opened up doors for me. ICT is the truth. I love to hear that, bro. I love to hear that. I've been telling my dad the same thing because he trades. I've been telling like a lot of my trader friends are already aware of ICT, but they try and mix in indicators. Bro, you don't even need any indicators, bro. You just need this damn new day opening gap, bro. Look at exactly where we went to. Isn't that crazy? Now this new day opening gap is pretty small, so I expect us to just like push past it pretty easily. And satisfaction purposes, we are going to add. This was a 7 micro trade, by the way. 7 micro trade. You can see down here we're on the 1 minute time frame. And hold on. Let's do that. Let's do this. I want to see this position hit in the next 6 minutes. This was a, why does that say 1 to 4? Oh, it's not 1 to 4. My stop loss was originally here. So this was a 1 to 6.5 risk to reward. Going live Sunday, absolutely. Why not trading NQ? It's just because I want to take lower size trades right now. Need to build my confidence over time. Thanks Op for tuning in, by the way. Appreciate you a lot. You always keep the chat active. Alright, we're close to hitting this take profit. Yeah. My mom doesn't have to shout at me, bro. She can just text me. I'm on stream, bro. I'm live. Beautiful trade, man. Thank you, bro. Hey, Asia session gold, bro. And it's not even just about the trade, bro. It's about the walkthrough of the trade. I talked about everything, what I want to see. Points of contention, fair value gaps, inverted fair value gaps, higher time frame order blocks like this one right here. Everything. It's a walkthrough, bro. And this is all free. I'm not going to charge. I don't care about charging, bro. I want trading to be my income, not people. I'm a subscribe. Thank you, CCM. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. $70 from just like 4 points from my take profit mark. I would actually play higher, but it's also like Asia session. So once we hit some certain level of liquidity, we do like to like manipulate lower and then play a lot of games. SMT divergence with ES. Holding through. I don't care. I know exactly what's about to happen.
Order
Exit
filled.
the trade. That is it, guys. Did not reach my full take profit, but I don't care. I mean, I just don't want to see any type of manipulation. I'm a subscribe genius. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm not a genius, but I appreciate you calling me that. SMT divergence with ES made me exit. So we caught 51 points on today's stream. This was a great trade. I'm really grateful for all of y'all being here. I'm very thankful. Today's Thanksgiving. SPL SPLD way you hold D trade. Oh, okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah, no, this was a work of art, bro. I love the charts. Love everything. You see my executions. Let's take a look at the realized profit and loss. 695. Yes, sir. We are done for tonight. Good shit. Thank you guys. Thank you. Everyone, please hit the subscribe button. This was a fun stream. I loved answering questions. I loved walking through the trade. Did not hold to my full take profit. Probably like 3 points off, but you know, it's cool. It's all good. Good shit. Beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you. Yeah, we're done for tonight. We're done. I'm not necessarily exhausted. I am gonna answer questions now if you guys have any. Congrats, bro. Thank you. Made 1302. Good shit, Ovidio. Yes, sir. Yeah, you're balling, bro. You're balling. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Congrats, bro. Nice. If you guys have any ICT questions, I'll just answer. I'm gonna hop off stream in 10 minutes though. Guys, let me know any questions. I'll be glad to answer any. Thank you, Hasian. I am subscribed. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate that. Everyone, just answer questions. I mean, ask questions. Let me know what you guys' thoughts. I entered a bit earlier than you. Good stuff. Yeah, I remember your entry was basically on this wick. Love it. Yes, sir. Yeah, dude. Played towards that. And I was talking about longs the whole stream, apart from after we sweep Southside. We did, before this trade, we did take this 10 point, like, what is it? Paper trade. I didn't really trade this, but this was a real trade, and that was the real shit. Thanks for walking us through. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. This was a good stream. Glad we caught this movement. That's it for Asia, though. You gotta be careful with Asia. You can't expect too much. And yeah, it might rush towards my take profit now, but I don't like how we did it with ES before NQ. So yeah, kind of pains me to see that now, but it's because for me it's about accuracy and it's about my idea truly working out. But yeah, guys, we're done. I'm gonna stay on stream for 5 more minutes until what is it, 9:15, just answering questions, and then I'll be heading out for the night. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. Very thankful for all of you guys being here. Very thankful for the growth lately. Very thankful for God and my family for allowing me to be a day trader and providing me with emotional and structural discipline. So yeah, good work, all of y'all. For those who took the trade, good stuff. For those who tape read and learned something from the stream, good work. Wish you at least dark DY axis. I don't know what that means. I could have held this all the way to the take profit, but yeah, it's cool. I'm happy with what we had. Did it live. Did it in front of you guys. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Good morning to those. Happy Thanksgiving. See you on Sunday. Thank you as well, Sophie. I'll see you on Sunday. Yes, sir. I'm excited to stream again. I'm excited. I might stream tomorrow morning in the AM session. If I don't, I'll post it in the community notes. Like D numbers. Yes, sir. Oh, there it is. There's a take profit. There's a take profit. That kind of hurts me to see real shit because I exited 3 minutes early. But hey, I'm not tripping about it. Money is money. Discipline is discipline. When you see a safe exit, I already held my entry for a long enough time. Let's check the time on this trade. 11 to, yeah, so less than an hour, bro. Less than an hour to make 695. Trading is a real possibility to generate real income for everyone in the chat, everyone who puts their mind to it and stays disciplined and stays locked in. I'm not some genius for doing this. I've just seen a lot of examples. I've done a lot of back testing. I've done a lot of studying, and I'm trying to employ my studying into the real markets live. Thank you guys for tuning in. Everyone, please hit that subscribe button. Please do. If you are entertained by this tradertainment, please hit that subscribe button. Please like the video. We're on the way to 200 subscribers. And yeah, this was a good night. And happy Thanksgiving. Like I said, extremely thankful. So yeah. All right. I'm going to play the disclaimer one more time and I'm going to be heading out. All right, see you guys. Good stuff, my man. Up. Yes, sir. You already know, bro. You know how we do it.